Hey everybody, Dave Hooke here over the Dave Hooke Real Estate team and the Brand Ambassador Program. I'm here with DJ Lair with Maxx. Excited to learn more about DJ. Thanks for being on with us today.
Thank you, Dave.
So remind us, who are you and what exactly do you do?
Well, I'm DJ Lair, owner of Maxx Mechanicsburg, and we provide all kinds of roofing options to our customers. We can extend the life of your roof with our Maxx treatment or give you any repair or replacement options that you may need.
Perfect. So unique product, extend the life of it, probably less expensive, and that could be a great investment or repair or replacement. And so what's the number one question you might get asked by a customer out there today?
Really, it's all about the money these days. We're just getting asked how are these prices for roofing costs, going up so much. So everybody's just concerned about rising roofing costs. And
the great thing about Maxx is you don't just do repair or replacement. You can also use that patented product to extend the life of the roof, which can save a customer potentially a tremendous amount of money if it's a great fit for them. Yeah. So what are you most excited about over the next year or so?
Really just being able to provide our customers all those options. They love having their different options laid out for them, and then they can kind of decide for themselves what's best for them and their family.
Perfect. And so if somebody's listening out there and wants to call you, do you have any special offers or incentives for them?
Absolutely. If you give us a call and you mention Dave Hooke in the Brand Ambassador Program, you can get 10% off your Maxx treatment. And then all of our estimates and all of our roof assessments when we come out to your house and take a look are all free all the time.
100% free. Perfect. I love that. And what's the best way for somebody to reach you?
Really, just give me a call. 717-487-8752 is the best way to get in touch with me. Or if you want to learn more about the product and, see some pictures of some projects we've done, our website's midpenroofsavers.com.
Awesome. I love that. Well, you heard it there first, everybody. DJ Lair with Maxx. They give options, and I know they've worked for my family members. They've worked for our clients on our real estate team. You can trust DJ. He knows what he's doing. He has a ton of integrity, and they're all about options. So whether it's a repair or replacement, if you think you need help with your roof, or they'll extend the life of your roof with their patented product from Maxx, give them a call and they'll give you both options so you can make a good decision for you and your family. Call them at 717-487-8752. That's 487-8752. Tell them Dave Hooke sent you for an extra 10% off, or go to midpenroofsavers.com to learn more. DJ, thanks for being on with us today.
Thanks again, Dave.
All right, we'll talk to you soon.